Boil it for 20 to 30 minutes and drain. Things you will need: 5 pods of garlic, small piece of ginger, 3 tomatoes, 2 onions, 4 green chilies. Blend them all together and it should look like this. 8 tablespoons of yogurt. Heat 1/4 cup of oil and add in the paste we made earlier. Stir well and cook till the oil starts to separate. 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 tablespoons red chili, 2 tablespoons black pepper, 1 teaspoon turmeric, salt 1.5 tablespoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon. Now add in all of the spices. And stir. Add in the yogurt. Stir well. By well, I mean really well. Cook until oil separates. Now add in the lentil. And stir again. Add half a glass of water. Let it simmer till the oil separates again. And it's ready. Garnish with coriander and green chilies. Serve it with rotis and there you go, your dal mash is ready.